Hello and good morning. Welcome back to part 2 of making a sweater. I want to show you what I have finished, what I've been working on. I'm not quite done with the first panel. It's been just like a day or two since the last video. Here she is. There we go. She's snatched. She's cinched. But yeah, we're making some great progress. I'm getting really excited about this. I've got 4 buttonholes. I'm gonna do 6. So I know that, well, yeah, I know that when I've done 6, then I'm done and I can move on. I'm running out of my first cake, which is kind of exciting. Yeah, I am very excited with how this looks. I'm just gonna knit today. It's around 5 o'clock right now. I have put in some more good work today. I just kind of want to tell you what's going on. So this is as far as I've gotten. Yeah, we're doing great. So I've started to cast off to shape the neckline. So casted off 12 stitches, and then I've been decreasing on every right side. So I'll knit the wrong side, I'll flip it, and then I only decrease on the right side. So that's kind of what I'm going to do. I have about this much left to do, so I'm going to be continually decreasing, probably get to about here eventually, but it'll be like, or I don't know, maybe like here. So yeah, I will update you when I've gotten to that point, but we're so close to being done with the first panel. Hopefully it'll be cool. Okay, I have made a lot of progress. I'm very excited about that progress. Yeah, by the way, this is one of the sweaters that I've made. This is my very first ever knitted sweater. And I actually also made these pants. I made the pants out of a thrifted sheet, so that's fun. Anyway, I spent the morning shoveling our driveway because it snowed a ton, but I did get to knit a lot last night. I finished one panel, which is so exciting. Here is that. It's still hard to tell because it's all cinched up. Here's one panel. And I started the next panel. And I've gotten this far. So I am really excited about that. I am actually almost halfway done with that first panel, which is so exciting. So I am gonna just keep working on that. Oh yeah, full disclosure, I was in such a deep conversation yesterday as I was making this. I made a pretty, it's a kind of significant mistake, but not, I'm not going to go back and fix it. By the time I realized what I did, it was too late, and I made the executive decision that it was fine. Somehow, I miscounted twice. Because I'm doing 6 by 6, right? And I was this far when I realized in one section of the purl section, I did 5. And then way down the road, I did 7. So I still ended up correct with the 6 knitted stitches and then the 6 ribbed stitches. so I didn't notice that I had made 2 mistakes. But, you know, I kind of work under the philosophy that, like, you can't make anything perfect because you don't want to offend the gods. So I do not make anything perfect. Every project has to have one mistake because I know enough Greek mythology to know that that's not good. Can you even tell? Can you? I don't think so. Like, luckily I did it on the same sections. You can't tell. I'm just gonna keep going with it. It was too late to change it, and I'm happy with it. So I thought I would just pull out my big tripod and use that to show you kind of what it's like to knit, but I ended up having to kind of hug the tripod as I was doing this and then look through the viewfinder to see the knitting, and that did not work out very well. So this is not a very good representation of actually how I knit, but yeah, enjoy anyway. And it's pretty. Hello, it is a new day. It's Tuesday, so it's been a couple days, but I am proud to announce I have 2 full front pieces done. So that's great. I am starting on the back. I've cast on like 10 stitches, but last night I decided that I needed to take a break because I was done. Here are the pieces. We're now to the point where I'm gonna have to trust the process pretty heavily. I don't know. It's scary now. I don't know if it's gonna fit. It'll fit. I don't know if it's gonna be too big, but maybe it's fine. Who knows? Who knows? I'm just gonna keep working on it. We'll see if I have to take out the front panels. Hopefully not. Why would I say that? We don't have to. We don't have to. We're not gonna have to. It's gonna look cool. It's gonna look cool. So, yeah, that's just an update. It is Wednesday. I want to give a little update on the project. I cast it on the back, and I've got this much done so far. Kind of freaking out because it seems like it's really big. I know it's not, but I'm just not used to it being this big. I spent a lot of time shoveling the driveway, and I don't know why I did that because this is what I'm looking at right now. Yeah. So yeah, I'm excited to shovel again later. I'm just gonna keep working and working and working. Knitting takes a long time. Yeah. Kind of lacking energy today. I'm here to give a little update. It's Friday, it's been a few days, but I have finally made progress. I did have to take like a day off because of hand cramping and seasonal depression. So it's just been snowing every day, all day. Here's what I have at the back. It's about halfway. I'm just gonna keep going. I promise that my next project will not take me a month to complete. The next projects that I have in mind, the next videos will just be one-offs. They should hopefully not be progress things. We're gonna do this today. I have some sewing projects planned. Yeah, knitting. We love her, but she takes a long time, even if you're a fast knitter. But I do have to say, I love how this is looking. Since this is yarn that I've already worn for like a year and washed, it feels very like lived in already, which means that I'm gonna wear it because sometimes I get scared to wear new things that I make just because it's like I put a lot of time into it. So I love that this is already feeling like lived in. Hello, it is Sunday. I have a very, very exciting development. I have finished the back panel. There we go. It'll kind of be like that. I'm super excited because now I get to connect all the pieces, and then we get to try it on and then just add the sleeves. It's a 3-day weekend. I'm gonna try and get this done in the next couple of days. It has just been snowing nonstop for like the last 3 days, so I have nothing else to do. I have nowhere to go, so yeah. Okay, I moved to the floor because this is where I will be just sewing. I'm gonna use my yarn needle, very simple tool. I'm gonna use that to connect the front and the back pieces together, and we're gonna go from there. This is this side, and then connect the back, and then we'll have like a vest. And then we'll decide how big we want the sleeves to be. I've sewn it all together, and here is the body of the sweater. There's the back, here's the front, and then, yeah, I don't know if I should do the neck ribbing first or if I should just get started on the sleeves, because they mentally take a huge toll on me, but they're not that hard, so yeah. Or maybe do one sleeve and then the neck and then the other sleeve. I don't know. Anyway, what are we thinking? I mean, it's a little skewed because I'm wearing a big sweatshirt underneath. I don't know. I think it's fun. I think it's cool. The sleeve is done. I ended up going down to size 6 needles to do the ribbing for the cuff because I love a tight wrist, and then I can like push it up and it stays. So yeah, I'm like so thrilled with it. I'm so happy. I'm gonna take a little break, help put my kid to bed, and oh, I can't stop looking at it. It's so much better than the crocheted sleeve. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna start on the next one like right away. Hello, it is Wednesday. I last spoke to you on Monday night. I think I had just finished the first sleeve, and boy do I have some updates for you. Yesterday, miraculously knitted an entire sleeve, which I've like literally never done that before that fast. This is how committed I am to this project. I just want to be done, and I just want to wear this so badly. I mean, it just keeps snowing so much. There's like 1.5 feet of new snow in the last 24 hours. I'm just so cold all the time, and I need to wear this sweater. Today I finished the neck ribbing. I'm so excited. Guys, it fits so well. My last thing that I need to do is to sew on the buttons and decide what I'm gonna use. I have these buttons here. They're this on this side and then light on the other side. So I am having a hard time deciding which color I like the most. There's this one and then this one. I literally can't decide which one's better. They both look great to me. I think I'm gonna go with the light. I just love how that looks. That is so much nicer than that. I think, I don't know. I put a poll on my Instagram. We'll see what people say. I can always just cut it off and like just switch to the other side if I just don't like it. I will come back when I've decided, and the next time I see you will probably be like just a full-on reveal, so stay tuned. Okay, hello. I'm kind of hiding because I don't want you to see yet, but here, I'm done. I'm finally done. It's Thursday. Here is the final product. Yeah, I absolutely love it. I don't own anything like this. I haven't seen anything like this. So it's fun. It's nice and warm. My favorite is wearing it buttoned all the way up. I went with the light buttons, which I really like. It's so cute. The fit is great. The sleeves are great. I love the sizedness of it, but it like cinches in because of the ribbing. And yeah, I'm gonna wear this like every day for the rest of the winter for sure. Yeah, I can't stop looking at it. My next video, I think I'm going to be ranking all of my knits from last year, from 2023. Stay tuned for that. Thank you for following along on this journey. Yeah, it was a journey to get here. And like, show me if you knit. Show me what projects you're working on. I would love to see that. Bye.